viewers, this is Fluke meter, a multimeter 117 true RMS multimeter. So there is a lot of functions and it gives accurate value to measure any electrical or electronic circuits parameter. Like there is many functions. Okay, this electro switch or knob, when I move this here, this measure AC voltage, and move this here, measure DC voltage or any range. This range auto is auto, or you can change value is press the or select the switch, range switch, and then this is the millivolt AC or DC both here, and this is the ohm range, measure any resistance. This is the short circuit source measure or high end we put at this range. Okay, here is common and here is the ohm range. Then when touch the two knob, okay, this called there is short. When we move it or place it these sections, this is the buzzer. Okay, and when we move this and this in this range we can measure diode, capacitor value. Okay, and when move it, then the AC current or hertz or frequency, and when move this and we can measure DC current. Okay, so and this is the above of Fluke 117 true RMS multimeter. Okay, we can change its value or function range. Select this switch range. Okay, this here are two values, these two values, and we measure any DC voltage or DC we can see. Okay, here we see the battery voltage is 5.7 volt when you connect these two terminal, and this measuring volt is 5.7 volt. We can see here 5.7 volt. Okay, here you see 5.7 volts in this battery or battery voltage. When you change the range, press the switch, then we see the branch is 5.73, or press the range switch, you can select the more range of the voltage or any frequency current. When you want to measure any resistance value or resistor value, we have to select the range, kilo, mega or any, and we have to select the knob, this ohm range. Then we have to select the range kilo or mega kilo ohm. This is kilo. Here this resistance value will be 10k or 10,000 or k 10k value. Okay, this resistance value will be 10k. Here is it, you can see. Okay, 10k resistance, 10,000 means 10k resistance. Here you can see the another resistance value, and the resistor value is 1k. Okay, this resistor is 1k resistor. Here you can see in this meter, one k root, 1k resistance. Okay, so this way we can measure any kinds of parameter or voltage, resistance, current, etc. Now we can try to measure current from these circuits and by using the Fluke meters. First of all, we have to change the knob. Okay, here is a 10 ampere range, and we have to change the knob in this here to measure current. Okay, so let's start. If we measure, if we can, we try to measure current from the circuits. So the emitter or meter will be series connections in this here. First of all, one connection in this here, one, another will be the point of in this here. Okay, here you can see here one or 2 milliampere is here, and when avoidance the resistance or without resistance, when you measure the current, there will be flow 3 or 4 3 milliampere current. Okay, here you can see clearly 3 milliampere current. Okay, why not? When after 0.3 digit, this will be milliampere, or when after 0.2 digit, this is the ampere, and this is the mega ampere. So we can select the milliampere range, and here current flow milliampere 1 milli, and then without resistor there will current flow 3 milliampere. Okay, we can see by this way we can measure any current from any circuits. In this here we have to connect the meter series in series, then we can find any current or any circuits value in this here. Okay, when we connect this supply, the LED will plus. Okay, or when we connect any meter by series, and this current will flow by this meter. Okay, by this meter, so we can find any current value from the meter for these circuits. Okay, by this way we can uh, find any uh, current from any circuits by this way. So this is the most popular and very accuracy uh, multimeter, Fluke 117 true RMS multimeter. Okay, so everybody should use this. Okay, this is the most valuable device or good device, and accurate result. It gives accurate result to us. So by this way we can measure any parameter of or circuits. Okay, so thank you everybody for watch my video. Please like, comment, share. If you feel happy, so like, comment, share for to others this video. Okay, thank you.